Let's get in. And 3, 2, 1, go.
Our last match before lunch now underway, and Artifacts barraging the goal. Going up with some already plenty of time left in auto. Both Blue Alliance members kind of in the far field. Red working in tandem with Leviathans from Oklahoma working the near field, and Robo Warriors from California working the far field. From the loading zone back to the launch zone, an Artifact goes up from Robo Warriors, staying in, not matching the motif though. 3 points right there. Leviathans churning out some final scores as auto ends.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. Three, 2, 1.
Red Alliance will lead 81-28 coming out of the autonomous period with 23 artifacts to the Blue Alliance's 6 already scored. Blue now working to churn through that scoring. 11-139 Night Owls and their alliance partners VC Silver Circuits both lining up to shoot. VC Silver now pulling some artifacts out of the Blue Alliance loading zone, making their way back to the launch zone, trying to get around that Red Alliance member, Robo Warriors, who is also playing the deep field. That launch zone not quite big enough to fit the both of them, so they end up playing some opportunistic defense on each other, sending each other's shots awry, trying to see how well they can keep things on target. Looks like to avoid that, VC Silver Circus now switching to the much larger close launch zone. An interesting pivot in strategy we'll see sometimes to allow traffic to flow well. Night Owls rolling up right beside them, just barely breaking the plane of the launch zone with their bumper. Should be enough, though, as they pull on more artifacts now. Scooting right on back, 1, 2, 3, going 2 for 3 on that volley. 1 minute left to go, 184-102. Red Alliance does have a lead with 59 artifacts already up. Red might be closing in on a goal ranking point. Blue Alliance with 31 artifacts in the goal. Still good if they really pick up the pace, but it would be tricky for them to get there with 43 seconds left to go. 25-6-27, Robo Warriors still playing the deep field. 1, 2 go up, but 2 end up a little bit wide. Still coming back with more, using the close launch zone now, lining up. Those do just go barely over the rim of the goal. Red Alliance still has the lead, though, and has locked up the goal ranking point as we enter the end game whistle. 232-159 coming into the end game. Teams appear to still be focusing on artifacts, locking it down those points for now. 10 seconds left to go. These teams are flying around. Parks coming in. Looks like 11-139 Night Owls out of Illinois lining up to get the best alignment they can. Their partners just barely breaking the plane.
And the winner for Red Alliance, 217 points. That was the last match before the pause. Be ready for 6-7 match after the break.